little children, let no man deceive you. He that doeth righteousness is righteous, even as he is righteous. He that committeth sin is of the devil, for the devil sinneth from the beginning. For this purpose the Son of God was manifested, that he might destroy the works of the devil. 1 John 3:7-8. On July 23rd, 2023, the personal chef for Barack Obama was reported missing after what is being reported as a paddleboard accident.
Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us. Barack and Michelle Obama say their hearts are broken after their personal chef died in a paddleboard accident near their estate on Martha's Vineyard. His body was found in just 8 feet of water, about 100 feet from shore.
Mystery remains about the accident that killed Tafari Campbell. He drowned in 8 feet of water, but these videos show he was a strong swimmer and stayed in great shape. Why wasn't he able to climb back on his board? And where were the Obamas? Initial reports said they were not on the island, but the former president's office today clarified they were on the island, but not at home.
When we take a deeper look at this event, it becomes obvious that this was another satanic human sacrifice ritual meant to exalt the devil and his antichrist. So without further ado, let's get into it. This event occurred on July 23rd, 2023, which gives us the number 757, since 2 plus 3 equals 5 and 2 plus 2 plus 3 equals 7. Strong's Concordance lists G757 as article, which means to be chief, to lead, and to rule. Interestingly enough, the word chef actually comes from the word chief. Therefore, it's no coincidence that the chef or chief of the former commander-in-chief died on 7/23/2023, or 757. July 23rd is also 13 days before August 4th, Obama's birthday. We know the number 13 represents rebellion. More importantly, August 4th is the 216th day of the year, which identifies Obama as the beast 666, since 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. This connects Obama's chef's death to the chief of the rebellious fallen angels. The number 216 shows up again in the fact that Tafari Campbell worked in the White House before staying on with the Obama family after Obama left in 2016. The chef who was sacrificed on Sunday, the 23rd, was 45 years old. Sunday is a reference to the sun god and Obama, whose logo is the rising sun.
This means sun rising over the horizon, the dawning of a new day in American politics.
Both the numbers 23 and 45 point to the Chicago Bull, Michael Jordan, who won 6 rings, as a reference to Saturn or Satan, and whose name means who is like God, the fallen one. On Monday, Tafari's body was found approximately 100 feet from shore at a depth of 8 feet. Strong's H100 is Agmon, which means a boiling cauldron, which points to the bottomless pit of hell.
The searing heat, the scalding rivers of molten sulfur.
I'm there.
A cauldron is a large pot for cooking or boiling over an open fire, which points to the chef in Hell's Kitchen.
This is the steeping grain for the honey porter. So what you do is you put this in the beginning stages. After that, you add in the hops. First we have to get it up to 170 degrees to extract the flavors from the grains, and then we take the grains out. And then we add the malt with the honey.
Strong's H8 is Obed, which means destruction, one who is wretched, to perish, and be destroyed through divine judgment. This connects Tafari with the chief of the fallen angels and king of the bottomless pit, Abaddon or Apollyon, the destroyer. Not only that, but speaking of Hell's Kitchen, it is important to note that on January 30th, 2022, Miss USA, Chesley Christ, fell to her death in Hell's Kitchen as a reference to the fallen angel, Lucifer, the light bearer.
Such an incredibly radiant light Chesley Christ was.
The Most High gave us confirmation that both of these individuals represent Lucifer, the chief of the fallen angels, because from January 30th, 2022 to July 23rd, 2023 is 540 days. Strong's Concordance lists H540 as Aman, which means to confirm, support, and believe as trustworthy. According to reports, the origin of the initial 911 call was listed as Wilson's Landing. You may remember from the movie Castaway that the name Wilson points to the horned god who was cast out of heaven into the abyss and who will rise as the beast from the sea. Therefore, Wilson's Landing is meant to represent the arrival on earth of the horned god, the king of the abyss, who was cast out of heaven. Revelation 12:9 declares, "And the great dragon was cast out, that old serpent, called the devil and Satan, which deceiveth the whole world. He was cast out into the earth, and his angels were cast out with him."